You can watch fire, water, and our electrician fixing a York control module forever. He's assembling a full soft start system, one that protects the motor and doesn't hit the power grid like a drum roll. In this video, repair and configuration of the soft starter for the condenser fans of a York chiller. Our engineer restored the circuit, double-checked the parameters, and calibrated it for real load conditions. The chiller is back in service, stable, safe, and starting smart from the very first rotation, just as you'd expect from the Rolls-Royce of refrigeration. Wonder where this beauty's heading next? The used equipment market and renovation? It's a full preparation for the machine's next life. Evroprom, all chillers brand in one place.